Hello everyone, this is the first entry in a new series I'd like to call Plush Theory. In this video, we'll understand spheres and sphere-like objects by dividing the process in 4 points to consider when making one sphere. Part 1. To make a sphere, the most common way is by making petals, and the number of petals will affect the shape. For example, this one has 3 petals, this one 4, and this one 6. Notice that the more petals, the rounder, but it will be more time consuming. For me, the perfect balance between these two variables is 4 petals. But you can do what you want or need. But how do we know the size of the petals? Part 2, Math. We'll need to know the size of the final sphere. For example, let's imagine a ball 10 centimeters tall, then use this formula. Okay, stop that, why the tragic music? It's really simple, I promise. Where h is the height and l is the length of the petals. To get the height, multiply the radius, the half of the height of the ball, by 3, and to get the length, resolve 2h divided by x, where x is the number of petals you want. Now that we have these two numbers, we'll draw a cross with the middle of this measurement connected. Don't draw a straight line, draw a curved line but more pointy at the ends of h. Now we have a perfect sphere, but what about sphere-like objects? Part 3, Sphere-like shapes. A normal petal will make a normal ball. We could use this ball to make, for example, a Kirby plush. If we make an end more round and shorter, it'll make an egg-like shape. We could use this to make a pink slime from Slime Rancher. A thin petal will make thin sphere, like a rugby ball. And if we make more rounder and shorter petals, we'll make a squished ball, like a fat seal. I don't know, this is a very rare shape. We can also cut the petals. For example, a petal cut in half, we can make a little hat, or maybe a face. Part 4, Sphere-like ends. Let's make a tube. How do we make it round at the end? We'll use half of a petal, and end with a sort of arm. But maybe you want a distinct hand. We'll use more of the petal. How much? You decide. If we make it around here, we'll end up with this, an arm with a distinct hand or an antenna. I hope this helps you to understand and see differently a character you want to make a plush of. Thanks for watching.